The vision of the School of Education was to bring about a positive change in the field of education in Pakistan. So we are totally committed with our stellar faculty to develop and to nurture leaders who are able to rethink, reimagine and reform educational practices in Pakistan. The flagship program of the School of Education is Educational Leadership and Management, and this is offered in two tracks, the weekend track and the standard track. We are very proud of our graduates. 97% of our graduates find employment within the first 6 months of their graduation. They enter the field as educational leaders, they head schools, they head colleges, they enter higher education, they also enter the development sector, they enter policy making, and some of them even become entrepreneurs. Apart from them, they are accepted in PhD programs in highly reputed universities. And if you are a person who has the commitment, has the dedication to improve the quality of education in Pakistan, the admissions are open and we look forward to hear from you.